Hey y'all, welcome to the Windcreek Casino and Hotel here. This is in Atmore, Alabama. They have other locations of Windcreek as well. And it's pretty big. Yeah, they even got like RV parking here. They even have an Indian gas station. We got gas. This is not far from Mobile, Alabama. It's just right off of 65, Highway 65. So just come follow me. They got a pretty flower there and some pretty flowers that are growing. It's really nice. This is in the front entrance here. So here's the different locations that they have. We're at the Atmore location here close to Mobile, Alabama off Highway 65 or Freeway 65. I think that one's in Pennsylvania. You got Chicago, Miami, Caraco, been to Montgomery, and I've been to Wetumpka. Usually that's my favorite one. So when anywhere, I've got the Casino Verse, and we've actually won some rewards on there. It's actually a free app to play free games, which is really cool. And here you get a rewards card right here. Looks like now they're going to be giving away this. A new Jeep Wrangler. Wow. And there's the hotel check-in right there. That's nice. I highly recommend you download this. It's pretty. Got a W store in here. That's beautiful. Got some beautiful birds here. Some nice jewelry. And we got a machine here. You get some food. Looks like they're giving this away. That's really nice. I like that. Look at this pig roasting here. Wow. That's a real pig right there. That's pretty crazy. And this looks like the eatery area. Got a market straight ahead here. We'll check out their market. Here's their hours of operation here at the market. Got some hot items here. Well, I tell you, it smells good in here. It smells real good. Look at that bread and pizza. Wow. That looks delish. You can get pizza subs and pasta here. Spaghetti. And look at that bread. Oh, wow. That looks good. Right from the fire. Right there you get a pizza. Got some Chinese food here. Looks really good. Looks nice. We got a Cluck and Chuck here. I'm just looking. I appreciate it. And got some drinks here. Coffee. Looks like Pepsi products. They got some really nice areas to sit over here. It's It's really big. Looks like everybody's at the fish camp here. Long line here. Boy, that shrimp looks good. Look at that shrimp. Oh my. Look at that. That soup looks good. Big butterfly shrimp looks good too. I'll tell you what. Got some more drinks over here. Coffee, Pepsi, tea, another sitting area. Called the Q. All smells really good. Got all your sauces here. Got something called a sweet spot here.
Caramel on the one, caramel. Okay, no, first go.
Got some bowling, cinema, amphitheater. Some yogurt here. Look at this. They got a huge amphitheater out here for concerts. That is nice. I like that. They got a bar here. Wow, this is nice. Got the concessions up here. And I love nachos. Look at them nachos, man. These are all the movies they're showing right now. This is really nice. I didn't know that this place was that nice. We got an arcade here. Let's go check that out. It's a big arcade. Hold my finger. Fast and Furious, Jurassic Park, Terminator. I love Terminator movies. Big Buck, basketball, and the Big Bass. I love the Big Bass. Surf Arcade. Monopoly. Wheel of Fortune. They got prizes here. Some prizes here. Purchase, reload, and register. That looks cool. Wizard of Oz. Plinko. Hammerhead. Definitely played this one with my son. Froyo and Grill. Here's the bowling. Called Strikes Bowling Alley. We got some pool tables here. Place for birthday parties. And there's the bowling. We got a Fire Steakhouse place here. Oh wow, they got a Banana Foster. That's crazy. We have a spa and cooking studio here.